Hey guys, it's Linnea at Empire Chrome here in West Memphis. Today I got special guests. I got Michael Talley, aka Problem Child. I got Sawyer, aka Kid Chrome. He's helping out with our 10-foot pole because when you're social distancing, you know, you don't want to touch folks with a 10-foot pole, literally. So he's helping out with that. Little info about me and Michael. We're pretty close. We usually call each other siblings. Our dads started doing business together many years ago, and now they want to sit at home and drink beer all the time. So somebody has to bring home the bacon. Somebody has to do the heavy lifting. I think we do a good job.
We don't got no muscles though.
You have slightly more muscles than I have. Yeah, little bit. But Michael has just put together his new Kenworth W900. We've been working on it for, I don't know, 8 months, a year?
About 8 months.
Almost a year here and there, and it's really coming together. So I'm going to turn it over to Sydney and let him show you a lot of the things that we've done to this truck.
Oh, hey guys, how's it going? Sydney again here from Empire Chrome. Just working on Michael Talley's truck here. Shout out to Josh at Roadworks Customs for hooking us up with this. Very nice grill, really makes this truck stand out. Some of the other things we also did on this truck, we added this bumper, put these lights on here, rock guards, light housing, look at that. We did put these fender lights on here, bug shield also. We added these awesome breather brackets front and back. We put these nice new panels on here with the lights, the button lights underneath for awesome glow effect. Mirror lights, strobes all over this thing. We even got Mike in the back putting on strobes on his trailer right now. So it's a really awesome truck, really good looking, and I can't wait to keep working on this truck in the future.
Alright. I also got them to add these lights, extra lights in the back of the cab. Kind of reflect off the stainless steel front trailer. Talladega fiberglass and put a set of single hump fenders on there. Kind of complement the red on the truck and trailer. And got this nice, pretty T-bar that they had custom made for me with my name cut out of it. And I think that's like my favorite part of the truck. I think that. Because I wanted to know who passed them.
All right, here we are at the back of Michael Talley's trailer. He just got this thing, had this thing about 2 weeks, and the first stop he makes is here for us to add strobe lights to them, which Mike just got done installing. And we're gonna get those some power and get them wired up, and he'll be good to go.
Beep. Is it on? It's running?
Yes.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
Y'all messing up the video.
We're not messing up the video.
Y'all sitting.
Who's the professionals here?
Y'all sitting.
Hold it up so we can see. All right, ready?
Go.
All right. So that's what we've done so far. We still have a couple projects left. What do you think we should do?
Get these ugly diamond plated boxes off.
Mm-hmm.
Get some pretty stainless steel ones.
Definitely.
Clean all of this ugly crap up on the catwalk.
It's really dirty.
Yep.
See? Even the
Kids don't
kids
lie.
know.
So yeah, there's still a little bit of factory ugliness left on this truck, but that's fine. You do it a little bit at a time. You don't have to do it all at once. You know, it's more fun. Plus, at some point, brother has to go out and make money. You gotta haul some grain, haul some beans, keep everybody fed. You know, I'm all about that. Until next time, you guys, don't drive an ugly truck.
Please.